Announcement has been made by Lai Mohamed, Minister of Misinformation. Yes, una hear me well. Minister of Misinformation. And according to Ran, he's saying Nigerians brands. Listen, no, because I don't like to repeat myself 2 times. Nigerian brands wey shoot their advert for outside Nigeria, abroad to be specific, say they go pay 100,000 naira each time wey their programs abi their advert is shown in Nigerian local channels. Na wetin e talk. For now, we no understand the English too heavy. Ungwana go break am down. If you do advert for South Africa, for instance, then you put am for CNN, where they watch am. If they come watch am like 5 times, 5 times, you say na 500,000. 500,000 naira na wetin you go pay if they show am for this thing. Because he say if they discover say that thing, they no advertise am for Nigeria, they say you are in trouble. 100,000 if they show am for local channel. They come show am 5 times. They send am 500,000, and that money they send am to the content development fund. Oh she, lies from the pit of hell. In fact, you people, you are a bunch of jokers. Bunch of jokers. All of you now see seriousness. Seriousness they far from these people. So what will happen to politicians when they go outside Nigeria to receive treatment? Meaning say they go pay 1 million. No? Not this is a joke. Politicians when they go outside for treatment, they go pay 1 million naira cash. You know how many of our money they spend outside for medical? You know how much they spend from our money? Oh God, how we end up from this kind of place? How? Nigeria get smart, educated, brilliant people. We get them for this country, but see how we they live. See how we they live, my people. I not just understand who do us this thing. Who do? To me, Bamio. This my open mouth. They tell us, hey, the money will go to content development fund. Which content? Hiroshi. Which content development fund? Devil na bastard. It is very obvious. Devil has entered all these people on seats. Devil is operating through them now. Now just to the milk the citizens dry. Now just one milk us dry. Before you know now so you go just find stories for different things. As long as say money go come out, now what you not like? Finally, my people, I have come to the conclusion. Lai Mohamed, he dey colo intentionally. His madness come intentionally. This one not be say by mistake or something. He dey colo intentionally. We shouldn't advertise outside, cause we have okay. No, me I not like the. I not say me. I always dey find solution to every problem. They say me we not advertise outside. Ngwanu abi, no problem. And the reason, if I know they make mistake, the reason why they don't want me to advertise outside is because we have all those things in our country. Don't we have hospitals in our country? Okay. So now, the solution to this thing, my people may not see, no argue with them. We have advertising company, Abi, waiting for Nigeria, Abi. We have hospitals too. So now, nobody is going outside to advertise. And nobody is leaving Nigeria for medical checkup. As simple as ABC. ABC no hard. If ABC hard, I beg as simple as ha. At least that one is very simple. Abi una get am. We have hospitals. We have advertising. What? Ungwanu make everybody anything what you want do. Now for year. No more talking about it. No more this one. Buhari, this should be the last time we go outside. This should be the last. I don't want here. Say, if you like, wear mask, wear monkey mask. If now the one when Nigeria people produce, wear them. I don't know where till they hide. Already, we know say you know they. So, I bet we don't need all this one when they do. We know. We just wait for 2023. My people, no more outside for medical checkup and no more outside for advertisement. If you agree with me, Why not? If not, drop her for that comment section. Make her know waiting una the thing. Una no say without una. I know they understand. I need una. So drop her for that side. And make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know the latest now where they happen. Make sure say you subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go to miss beautiful and sweet content like this one. Stay tuned for our next story. APC don't enter stage 4 of cancer level, my people, and this one they come from Governor Wike of Rivers State. They call this one, they send an interview, they interview am, they ask a question about the I think say na the future election where they come there. They ask a different questions. So the interviewer come ask am say, no, you go feel leave PDP enter APC because Governor Wike na PDP member. He can say no, say already PDP get malaria. Say how you go leave malaria enter cancer. APC get serious cancer. And the cancer where APC get, he say no be the early stage. Say this one, in fact, na the final one where doctor go tell you say, my brother, it is only God that can do it. Now waiting come outside, come tell us now. So I don't bring and come aside. Because this man open mouth tell us say APC don't already kill Nigeria. So I bet join me, make we listen to Dr. Wike.
So you make we no expect say you go ever defect or come out from PDP?
Come on, to go where?
Things will change. We don't say it happen.
I get malaria. My cancer defined. Why they talk like that? I get malaria. Where they easy to treat. Now one man go cancer, why I go die immediately? Which party? APC. I'm not going to talk like that. Party where don't kill Nigeria. Where we go now? Any fight one they fight my PDP, I go fight them there. If they win me, they win me. If I win them, I win them down. I think they run my body there. I mean, I know some do not fit to win me. I will not there, will fight them there. But to leave PDP, where get malaria, go APC, where get cancer. Ah. Come. And the stage of the cancer, where they for APC. Now the 4th stage, where they say, doctor they talk say, it's hard. If I want they say, now 4th stage, make it call God, say, okay. It don't happen.
Are you corrupt, Your Excellency?
Nigerians. No, una know why they laugh. Because una mata in fact, una even pass people way like corruption. Now you go see Nigeria person now they swear for person, they insult and they talk against them. May they just talk one sweet thing. Their body go just do like obono. We know they draw again. No, see una. I bring this thing outside because una they make me they laugh. Small thing where they go tell Nigeria person, small sweet thing. Hey, they go just carry their attention. They go study, do like say they don't know it. I don't just understand. So, because we know like APC, already we know like, for now we know APC na Buhari people. So, because we know like APC, if APC person come outside, can't talk one sweet thing, una go come forget everything. Una go forget say they be the enemy. See una life. No, see, just see una life. I don't say Governor Wike na PDP member. I know. But I get reason why they come outside and they talk this thing where they talk. Make una not see, no be carried away. Whether na PDP, APC, FFG, LOL, anyone, any party one na one mention, they be the same thing. They are the same thing, my people. See who they come outside they talk. I get malaria. I cannot go to where they scan. Same people, same person will refuse to pay people's salary. Now they come outside and una they clap for them, una they hail them, una they no, now una they see where they go. Una they see him. Una they clap for this man. When at this same man make us they come outside, they call for justice. Say people don't die for his state. I don't just understand. I don't just understand una. Rivers State, where no be for his state. We they cry before. Say they no pay their salary. Say this one no, that one no. Nah. After this interview, where they interview this man, my people, make una check him. He go still go meet Okrocha, go drink. No, not be talk then. Okay, hey, I forget say many of una never even see, una never even hear the matter. The way these people they flex, I beg, put this video, make they see what they talk about. No, Nasia. This one Wike PDP, Okrocha APC. No, Nasia. Same person will come outside now, come they tell you now nonsense. Say APC get cancer 4th level. So you when you get malaria, you they roll with person will get cancer. Sometimes una just una they amaze me. Make us speak. You amaze me. You mesmerize me. Make us speak English. These people they use us catch cruise, but no. They use us catch cruise. Now this kind of thing they talk say a man gotta do what a man gotta do. It is what it is. Now be this. Una no. This one now he go come outside. But you know probably say they don't discuss. Say bros, see you know say be my person. I need come outside to public to voice this thing. It's just for you people to see something. It's for you people to think that they are good people. They know what they do. At least I'm happy. Are they happy saying come outside? Come open his mouth to say yes. Say he is corrupt. He likes corruption. No, not here. Say without corruption, how you go say your children go school? How you go do this one? How you go take care of your sick mother? No, are they happy? But bros, make I tell you, you see this same APC where they talk about. Now this same APC go. In fact, now their cancer go kill you. This APC cancer where you come outside they talk say they get cancer. Now that cancer go kill you if you don't pay these people their salary where they owe. You go sit down they flex. Your people they die of hunger. No salary, nothing. But you sabi go sit down with okrocha, they gossip like women. They dance, they drink. People are not they deceived though. No, they deceive. See, now politics we they talk about these people, they know how to get in and they know how to get out. Both parties, these are APC, PDP, this one, all of them, they worse past COVID-19 plus Ebola/HIV. In fact, they even worse past all of them. Una go sit down there, they go they deceive una. Small thing. No, make I even tell una know why una they clap. Una know why una they hail am. Just because this man come outside, they talk against APC. And he already knows that all of us are against APC. No, just imagine. Me and person will be friends. Okay, me and Anita will be friends. We get another friend we name as Sandra. And me, I'm not like Sandra. Anita no say I'm not like Sandra. So because Anita no say I'm not like Sandra, if she won't get my attention, it is very simple. She go just come meet me. They talk bad about Sandra. And I go like her because she they talk bad about person way I already know like. See, I not just say I get sense now. Why not they bring me down like this? I not just understand. I bring this matter so I go open on her eye. I don't tire for now. Waiting. I beg. Now the matter be this. So whether you like her or you not like her, now the truth I don't come spill out. You understand? So drop the comment for that comment section. Share this video so that everybody go know say these people they plan something very, very important. And if you never subscribe, I wonder how you go be updated with matters like this. Stay tuned for our next story.